In this video, I'll show you how to add unsubscribe button to your Notion mail. So first go to the inbox, and as you can see, I don't have any unsubscribe button over here. So to add it, you click on this edit view icon on the top right corner. You click on customize hover actions, and we don't have any unsubscribe action here, so we'll click on add hover action, and you'll click on this plus on the unsubscribe button. As you can see, we have added it to the visible actions section, and we'll just drag it up, and this way we have the unsubscribe button. As you can see this, we can just click on here to unsubscribe from the emails. And that is quite it. That's how you add an unsubscribe button in your Notion mail.